Hello everyone, I am Nityavati. Welcome to Love Maths. Today we are going to see the topic of laws of exponents for real numbers. Okay, it is 9th standard NCERT and State Board, Karnataka State Board syllabus. Well, exponents means we already knowing some formula like a power m into a power n means what? Base are same means we can add the power. In case a power m, when it is in multiplication, same thing it is in division means we should subtract the power. Okay, so base are different, power are same means we can multiply the base together. Like that we have seen so many things. Then very important, anything power 0 value is 1. Anything power 0 value is 1, and almost 1 by a power n is equal to a power minus n. A power minus n. These are we already seen. This same we are going to see now how to use in the real numbers. Okay, few extra things are there like next, nth root of a means what is this meaning? A power 1 by n. This a power 1 by 1, this is the meaning of nth root of a. Only root 2 means root 1, there is no number here means the meaning is 2 square root. So 2 power 1 by 2. In case cubic root 2 means 2 power 1 by 3. This is the meaning. Okay. Another one thing is also there. A power n whole to the power m like that is there means how to write means a power m by n. A power m by n. Okay. For example, 2 power 3 by 4. How to write this by? What is the denominator? What is that? That is comes like a root. 4th root of 2. This also power as usual. 4th root of 2 cube. 4th root of 2 cube. This is the meaning. In case 7 power 3 by 5 means 5th root of 7 cube. 5th, this denominator comes here. Okay, 5th root of 7 cube. Is it clear? Then this root 49 means you want to know what is the value of root 49? 7. Because 7 into 7 we can write this value is 7. So square root of 49 is 7. So like that we are going to see few sums now how to simplify. This is exercise 1.6. This is exercise 1.6 few sums. The first one, 64 power 1 by 2. 64 power 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 means what is the meaning? Square root of 64. Okay. So square root of 64 value is 8. Square root of 64 value is 8. We clearly knowing that 1 by 2 means 2 square root. Square root means root not necessary to mention. Okay. So next one, 32 power 3 by 5. Okay, 32 power 3 by 1 by 5. 32 power 1 by 5. This is 5th root of 32. 5th root of 32. This is meaning is what? Inside the root, 5th root of 32 means inside the root how many numbers are common we are taking as outside. Okay, for example 5th root means here square root means 64 we are written as 8 into 8. 2 times is there means we can take outside as a single term. 5th root 2 means here 5 times. 32 how to write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so how to write? 5 times. So 5th root means 5 time one number is there inside the root means we can take outside as a 1 time. Okay, is it clear? Otherwise another one method, 5th root of 32 we can write 2 power 5. 32 we can write 2 power 5. So nth root of anything a power m means we can write a power m by n. Okay, so both are 5, 5 and 5 cancel. So the answer will be 2. Whatever may be, this will be the answer. Okay. So next one, 1 by 125 whole to the power 1 by 3. This is the meaning is cubic root of 125. So cubic 135, how to write? 5 into 5 into 5. So 3 times is there. Outside take 1 time. This will be the answer because it is the cubic root. Otherwise how to write means this is cubic root of 125. This is cubic root of 125. How to write? 5 cube. Okay, so nth root of a power m, how can write? A power m by n. The same way 5 power 3 by 3, 3 by 3 is 1, 5 power 1 is 5 only. Okay, you can apply any method. Is it clear? So, next. 16 3 power 4. 16 3 power 4. How to write this? Fourth root of 16 cube. Okay, fourth root of 16 cube. Now fourth root of 16, how to write? 2 power 4. 2 power 4 whole cube. Next, a power m into n means you should multiply the power. 2 power 4 3s are 12. So apply the concept 2 power 12 by 4. That is equal to 2 cube. That is equal to 8 is the answer. Okay, is it clear? Only we are going to apply few formulas. Next one, 125 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Okay, so how to write this? Cubic root of 125 whole to the power minus 1. Okay, a power minus n means meaning is 1 by a power n. So the same way cubic root of 1 by 125. 1 by 125. This 1 by 125 how to write? Cubic root of 1 by 5 whole cube. Okay, next apply the concept 1 by 5 whole cube. This 3 come as a division. 3 and 3 cancel. So 1 by 5 whole to the power 1. So 1 by 5 is the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Next one, 2 power 2 by 3 dot 2 power 1 by 5. It is dot means multiplication. Base are same means what we should do? We should add the powers. Okay, it is in multiplication means. So 2 power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So it is a unlike fraction. So to take the LCM is 15 means this is 10, this is 3. So that is equal to 2 power 13 by 15. This will be the answer. 2 power 13 by 15. Next one. One by 3 cube whole to the power 7. So 1 power 7 is 1 only. 3 cube whole to the power 7. So 1 by 3 power a power m whole to the power n means you should multiply the power. So 3 power 21. So 1 by a power n means how to write? 3 power minus 21. Okay. Next one, 7 1 by 2 dot 8 1 by 2 means now base are different, power are same means it is in multiplication means we can multiply the base. 7 into 8 whole to the power 1 by 2, that is equal to 7 8s are 56 whole to the power 1 by 2. Is it clear? You already learnt about the exponential formula. Using that formula you can solve this exercise. Thank you children.